Hello everyone. So we are going to have an interview with the splendid and versatile personality Saraswati ma'am, and she has a working experience of 28 years as an English teacher. So let's get started.
Who's that? Hey, Zenat.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, Ra. How are you?
I'm very good. So
Okay.
happy Teachers Day ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Where are you going?
Actually, come in. I'm just planning to go to my friend's house. Some one or two teachers are there here. So we have planned to have a get together. That is at 3 o'clock now. Just getting ready to go there.
Okay, we want the previous time of yours, like your experience and all. So
Oh, you want my precious time?
Yes.
I'm always at your service, don't worry. Because students, when they come and meet me, I'm very happy.
So we will have a small interview.
Yeah, sure, definitely. So you're shooting it, right? No problem. Yeah, sure. Please come in.
Nice house, ma'am. Very beautiful. Wow. I think you are an accidental. Like I will many plants
There is
and
a
all.
plant here, there is a plant there,
Okay.
and there is a plant there.
Wow.
Yeah. A lot of
Bibliophile.
books. Yeah, a lot of books and all because I read a lot of books.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please come in, sit down. Yes. Tell me yes.
Okay, ma'am. How are you doing nowadays? And what are your plans to celebrate Teachers Day?
Teachers Day, we are planning to just celebrate a small cake and all that. We have purchased that.
Like small get together.
Get together here, and till evening we are planning to sit together and just sing some songs, bhajans, something like this. Because they asked me to sing because I sing a lot of bhajans because I work in Chinmayana,
yes.
so I know a lot of bhajans and songs. That's the reason why I'm going there.
So you have nearly 30 years of working experience as a
28.
28.
28.
As an English professor. Right?
Teacher and later assistant professor in Sindhura Engineering College. But initially I started my career as a teacher. So it was a very good time when I started with class 3. That was my first class which was given to me.
So what do you tell to the youth nowadays? What is the message that you want?
Yeah. So according to me, it is always good that you stick on to education. Right? Parents are spending a lot of money now.
Right.
And at the same time, teachers are also working very hard. And now you saw the situation, we have online classes. There was a lesson in 8th class or something, and then children used to feel, ma'am, this is a virtual class, like how is it possible, like online classes? But we have seen online classes now.
Right.
So it's always better. It's good that teachers are working so hard and stick on to education, and that will give you a livelihood, knowledge, and it will give you the strength. You will become very strong.
Yes. So nowadays youth don't have a particular perspective. They are just following others. So what do you want to tell about?
No, this is because they don't have any goal actually. They are not very keen about their lives. Yeah, and they want others things and all. They compare with others.
Just follow others.
Follow others. They don't have any likeliness for themselves. So like yours. And whatever you have, you be satisfied with it and be contented with whatever you have. And have a good goal and stick on to that goal. That's all.
So an important thing is Madam is a very good writer. So we are going to know about her writings.
Oh God.
Please tell us about
Oh
your
my
writings.
God. Actually, I'm not a very known writer and all. And
You are unknown, but a great writer. That's what
maybe probably in future I'll be, people will come to know of me. It will take a little time. I've written a book named My Childhood. That's all about my childhood days and all that. And now I've just started another book. That is a journey, like my spiritual journey. That is the name of the book. My spiritual journey. Yesterday I just given the name, My Spiritual Journey, and it is all about spirituality. You won't understand anything even if I tell you. Your viewers will not be able to understand. You should grow up, right? And I would like to dedicate this first copy of the book to my principal ma'am in Chinmaya. Chinmaya, we were all together for almost 12 years. I worked in Chinmaya, and I would like to dedicate Valli Prasanna ma'am. This is really your inspiration, and I would like to dedicate that book to her and our Swamiji, Tejamananda Swami. We have very good people who inspire, and even Swami Chinmaya and the teachings and all, I still, even today I listen to it.
So could you tell us the importance of English?
Yeah, importance of English is, like as I told you, globalization is something which is being, the word which is being seen everywhere and heard everywhere, and people talk about globalization. Please don't make English globalized or commercialized or something like this. English is a beautiful language. Try to put in the normal way. Try to like it. Right? First, to try to understand what the language is. Respect the language. Then like it. Make it your passion. And then in future you try learning it, and you will definitely get it. For example, if you have a cooker, you want to make gulab jam, initially you should have a taste on your tongue, right?
Yes.
So, yes, I need a gulab jam. Then that way, your taste buds will give you that. And then you will get into the process, you will do it and you learn it somehow and make it and then give it. The final result. Whether people like it or not, whatever it is. But anyways, English is a wonderful language. I love English. That's the reason why I was inspired by my teacher, Anuradha teacher. I still remember her, and she inspired. That's the reason why teachers inspire children.
And you inspired me to learn English.
Thank you so much. And quite a lot of videos I've seen about that. Your English videos and all, like, they are fantastic. Congratulations
Thank
to
you.
that.
Thank you very much.
God bless you, my child, and you have been doing a very good job.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and keep doing. Any help required, you can contact me. Not a big issue. I am there always to help.
So could you tell us some suggestions to learn English, like tips and all?
Yeah, tips there are, as I told you, read a lot of books. That is the first tip I'll tell you. Even if it is a Chandamama book, even if it is a story book, anything like that, just read it. Okay? Just keep reading, doing things which are related to English, and ultimately
You'll get success. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable time. So we have a very good time with you. Thank you very much.
yeah, it's okay. And to all the viewers also, I would like you to go with the different kinds of books. Keep novel reading as your hobby, and traveling. Do a lot of traveling. As I'm a nature lover. The same way, nature will teach you everything.
Everything, right?
Yeah. You take a book and go out and sit in the sun, and it will teach you everything.
Yes, right.
Right? And a very happy Teachers'
Teachers'
Day
Day
to all.